If you did not read all of your clues, you might want to.
We haven't gotten to the fourth clue yet. Clue 4 is where they will be going across the water in the boat, and we'll see if it sinks or floats.
Today we are gathering with all of our current and previous teachers of the year from Berkeley County.
We're doing a lot of professional development today. It's really focused on social and emotional learning. And the goal is that everything that we do, we need to do it, the little things the right way the first time, and we need to leave people better than the way we found them.
Hey, watch you spray, guys. Don't get touched.
I loved cardboard as a kid, and I was thinking, like, what would be the coolest thing if I had to sit in a meeting that I'd want to do? And the answer is play with cardboard. So Teacher Forum was getting rid of boxes. Why throw them away? We can build boats.
With each conversation and your communication, you've worked together to reach your goal.
So they're getting clues as to how to build a boat. And so these guys are going to float their resource officer on a boat today, hopefully. But their officer holds the key to all the good stuff, the duct tape, the sealant, the paddles. And so they have to figure that out by having a conversation.
Our team is rocking it. We had to have those conversations at the beginning, come up with a game plan.
I can't wait to see, what these conversations produce. Every moment that we have, everything that we say, it's a boat that we give people to sink or float.
And then truly the objective is to create that community, bring people together that might not always get to have those conversations within the feeder schools, because we're all at our home school. They're bringing us together so that we can reach out to one another when we need to.
Everybody always says, think outside the box, think outside the box. We want to take that one step further. So as opposed to just thinking outside the box, we want to destroy that box and recreate.
And so let's smash the box. Let's get away from this traditional thinking that kids learn. That's where Smash the Box comes from, is getting away from the ordinary, do something extraordinary, and give people experiences. Create moments for them for the rest of their lives.
This is definitely going to be our best year yet, not best year ever, because we don't want that. You always want that mindset of continued growth.
My team did pretty well. I think we ended up 4th. We weren't even sure that the boat was going to float, so that week turned out pretty good. A great team building exercise we did with these boats out here, giving people just basic instructions and a few clues, and having them not only just think outside the box, but embracing our theme this year, which is destroy that box. And that's exactly what they just did, building these boats. They destroyed the box.
And we get to choose if we want to be traditional, or do we want to give people experiences that they don't have anywhere else or any other district. And that's what I want to do. Play with cardboard and give experiences.
We are number one.
We are number one.
Number one.